Python, the language every beginner starts with. Let's see how it works. Variables. You can assign them numbers, words, and statements. Print. You can write stuff to the console. Input. You can read stuff from the console. Conditionals. If this is true, do this. If not, do this. While loops. While this is true, do this. For loops. For this amount of time, do this. Lists. This is a variable that stores more than one value. Functions. Reusable code snippets. These can also return values. Libraries. You import them, you use them. Each library is used in a special way, so I cannot teach you how to use each one of them. Now, let's build something with it. I'm gonna make rock, paper, scissors. Starting off with a while true so the game runs infinitely, then print out the necessary stuff for inputs, importing the random library and printing out the computer answer, building the function to determine if the player won, then handle wins, ties, and losses in these if statements. One input at the end to pause the game, and as you can see on the screen right now, the game works. Now you can check out the video on the screen to see an even easier way to learn any programming language.